Alright, all positions out. We're going to go into start now.
We don't know which one it is yet.
Yeah, she should.
She should.
Yeah, they're great. Because there's no ailerons or ailerons on it, so it's not going to.
So far to enforce communication over long range is acoustics. It's the way they used to communicate, and basically it's the same principle, because sounds propagate into water and is able to reach long distance. You have the issue though that the bandwidth is limited, so every bit counts when you communicate using acoustic comms.
All kinds of stuff. Of course, there will be at the end with the track spaces, so you all can change.
Vamos governar 312.
Esse movimento, e ele não consegue fazer um orbit point um pouquinho mais perto do
We can't cover everything with manned assets. Not one, it's a cost problem, and number two, you want to keep the man out of that danger zone, right? So that's a huge asset, having an unmanned system out there. It's a cost thing. The system's probably going to be, lighter, cheaper, easier to get there than sending guys in, right? So that safety factor, right? So you might not care if you lose that unmanned system. You're going to care if you're putting those guys in danger. Unmanned system, it's cheap relatively, so you don't necessarily care if you lose it, as long as you get the data back that you're sending it out there for mission.
The importance of that, in a wartime scenario, you want to be able to have the force projection, which you get from working with our allies. You want to be interoperable because that has obvious synergies. And you want to be able to have the most relevant, up-to-date information consolidated into a decision-making tool, which is what we've done here